Welcome to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smartwatches with a full review of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's a powerful, rugged, and feature-packed device aimed at athletes, adventurers, and tech lovers alike. If you're thinking about upgrading or simply curious, stay tuned as we explore everything you need to know about the Apple Watch Ultra 2. First things first, the design. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 carries the same bold and rugged appearance as its predecessor. With a 49mm titanium case, this watch screams durability. It's built for extreme environments, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. The sapphire crystal front is not only scratch-resistant but also provides a clear and vibrant display. Apple kept the signature action button on the side, and it's customizable for quick access to your most used features. Whether you're diving, hiking, or running, this watch is built to endure. Now let's talk about the display. The Ultra 2 features Apple's brightest display yet, hitting up to 3000 nits. That's incredibly bright, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're navigating a trail or just checking messages on a sunny day, visibility won't be an issue. The always-on Retina display remains sharp and easy to read from any angle. It also automatically adjusts brightness to match the lighting around you. Powering the Ultra 2 is the all-new S9 SiP system in package. This is Apple's most powerful smartwatch chip to date. It makes everything feel incredibly snappy, from launching apps to switching watch faces. More importantly, the S9 enables a new feature called Double Tap. This lets you interact with your watch by simply tapping your index finger and thumb together. No need to touch the screen. It's convenient for situations where your other hand is occupied, like when you're biking or holding something. Battery life remains one of the strongest selling points. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 offers up to 36 hours of battery on a single charge. With low power mode, that can stretch to 72 hours. This is excellent for long trips or endurance workouts where you don't want to worry about charging. And thanks to fast charging, you can get up to 80% battery in just 45 minutes. Now let's talk about health and fitness features. The Ultra 2 includes all the usual Apple Watch health sensors: heart rate, blood oxygen, ECG, sleep tracking, and temperature sensing. These features work seamlessly with the Health app to give you an accurate picture of your well-being. Apple also improved its GPS accuracy with dual-frequency GPS. This is especially helpful in dense cities or remote areas where standard GPS struggles. Athletes will love this, especially runners, cyclists, and triathletes. Speaking of workouts, the Ultra 2 is packed with advanced tracking for a variety of sports. From strength training and HIIT to open water swimming and alpine skiing, the watch recognizes and logs your workouts precisely. The new cycling features are also worth mentioning. The watch now connects automatically to Bluetooth cycling accessories and can show you power zones, cadence, and speed directly on the screen. Let's not forget the built-in safety features. With fall detection, crash detection, and emergency SOS, the Ultra 2 has your back. There's also a built-in 86 decibel siren that can be heard up to 600 feet away, perfect for when you're lost or injured in the wild. And with the new precision finding feature, locating your iPhone becomes much easier thanks to the ultra-wideband chip. Another area where Apple improved things is the software. The Ultra 2 comes with WatchOS 10 out of the box. It introduces redesigned apps, new watch faces, and smarter widgets. The interface feels more fluid and informative. You can now see key information from your favorite apps just by turning the digital crown. And let's not forget the new mental health features, like mood tracking and journaling. Customization is also a strong point. You get a wide range of bands tailored for different activities. The Alpine Loop is ideal for climbing, the Trail Loop is perfect for runners, and the Ocean Band is built for diving. Apple offers various colors and sizes so you can find the right fit for your lifestyle. And yes, all previous Ultra bands are compatible with the new model. Sound and connectivity are top-notch. The Ultra 2 comes with a 3-mic array that offers clear audio during calls. Noise reduction helps cut out wind and background noise. The speakers are loud enough for calls, Siri responses, and alerts, even in noisy environments. The watch Also supports LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and ultra-wideband for seamless connectivity. One of the standout features is its dive capabilities. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is certified for recreational scuba diving up to 40 meters. With the Oceanic Plus app, it turns into a full-featured dive computer. It includes metrics like depth, dive time, water temperature, and even decompression data. For divers, this is a game-changer. Durability is key in the Ultra 2. It meets MILSTD 810H standards and is water-resistant up to 100 meters. It also handles extreme temperatures, shocks, and vibrations. If you're an adventurer, this watch is built to withstand your toughest challenges. Of course, all of this comes at a premium price. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 starts at $799. It's not cheap, but it's packed with tech that justifies the cost, especially if you live an active lifestyle or want the best Apple has to offer. So, who is this watch for? If you're a serious athlete, outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who wants a powerful smartwatch, the Ultra 2 is a solid choice. It's not just about looks, it's about performance, durability, and reliability. And if you're upgrading from an older model, the jump in speed, features, and display quality is definitely noticeable. In summary, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is one of the most advanced smartwatches available today. It combines top-tier hardware, innovative software, and extreme durability in a stylish package. It's built for people who demand the most from their devices, whether they're scaling mountains or navigating the urban jungle. That wraps up our review of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let us know in the comments what you think about this rugged smartwatch. Are you planning to get one? Or do you think it's overkill for everyday use? Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future tech reviews. See you in the next one.